Good morning, bears. So you have a little smudge on you. There we go. We are at Shin Osaka station.
Yes.
Right outside of it, and we're walking towards a udon restaurant that we're going to try. It's called Naniwa. I think it's this. Pretty sure it's this. So this place is known for their udon and their soba. So I'm gonna get soba if they have it, which they might not. It doesn't look like they do.
This might be what's popular.
On the internet, it said that this place has soba and udon, but it's primarily an udon restaurant. I was hoping to get soba, but I'll settle for udon too. It seems like they got a lot of different sets. It was pretty cheap, $7.50 for a bowl of udon and a croquette.
Okay.
$7.30 for a bowl of udon, rice, and some fried chicken.
No, I think this is popular because look, number 38, number 40.
Oh yeah, wow. They got a lot of stuff. So definitely gonna try this out, and I'm actually gonna make a main channel video on this too. But we'll have to see like how much space there is inside the thing, and if it'll be possible for me to set up a camera.
Restaurant and I'm super stuffed. It was probably a little too heavy for breakfast, but it's okay. If you guys want like traditional udon or soba, this is a pretty good place, but make sure you bring cash because you can't use credit card. You order on like a machine. So here it is. That's what it looks like. Alright, what are we doing next?
I don't know.
It's kind of hard to like do things early morning in Japan because a lot of things don't open till 11 and then they close at 9, so you gotta like be in between those gaps. But I mean, sightseeing you could do early, so do the sightseeing stuff early in the morning and do any like shopping, touristy stuff like visiting the tower and stuff like that in like the afternoon, early evening. You look like a b-boy in a hat.
Thanks.
Are you gonna go to Namba?
No.
And make some moves?
No.
No. Alright, what time is it now? I don't have my watch on.
9:24.
9:24. Okay, so we got an hour and a half till anything opens. Today is Osaka and Kobe, right?
Mm-hmm.
So should we just head to Kobe?
I guess, yeah.
Okay. Let's go.
Sounds like a good idea.
It's still the commuter traffic right now. So we'll be seeing lots of people on the metro.
Well, it's died down. Yeah.
You think it's died
There's
down?
a good amount of people probably out, but definitely died down.
Okay. I don't want to be squished like a sardine.
岡山行きです。終点岡山までの各駅に停まります。続いて車内のご案内をいたします。自由席は1号車から5号車までです。この電車は全席禁煙となっております。おタバコを吸われるお客様は喫煙ルームをご利用ください。
Wow, look at that mountain of salad. Wow, look at that.
That's a good price. Wagyu?
Wagyu beef.
200 grams for 44. It's such a really good price.
Oh, was he the owner?
Look at that. Look at that.
Wow.
That's amazing. After a incredible Holy Beef experience, we are in a Tokyo Hands now. And look at this. We're gonna do some gambling.
I want this dude.
You want this one. Let's gamble. Why don't you get the bubble one? You actually got the bubble one.
What the heck?
Oh my god. 20% chance, I guess. But technically not a 20% chance because we don't know how this is all like, you know. But still, oh my god, you actually got the butthole.
Oh, I thought it would be squishy. It's not squishy.
No, it's not. It's really hard.
Yeah, what the heck?
What the flip? Yeah, it's really hard.
So you got pancake, you got a Hokkaido bun, you got a muff, and you just got this. Wow, look at that.
Open this bad boy up.
What the heck? You said butt, and I got butt.
You got the butthole. It's a butt. It's cute.
What the heck?
Is this like open or something?
No, it doesn't. They just added details. Should I put this extra stuff in here, or am I supposed to trash it?
I think you can just put it in there. Oh shit. I dropped your butthole.
You want to see the picture of us holding the meat?
Yeah, I do. Show me that. Show me that pic.
Damn, if I knew, I would have. Look at that marbling.
Oh. Ooh, so good. Amazing. Where are we going?
We were here, and there's not really much to do here except eat.
Okay.
And shop. So I guess when you think about it, that's everywhere.
We are at a shrine. Well, I think we have to tie our and get a fortune, and if we get a bad one, we tie it to the thing.
Oh, where's the fortune?
I don't know. I don't think it's here. I think it's somewhere else. Oh. We do this thing, right?
Yeah, what's 300?
Fortune you receive, whether good or bad, is a message from the Shinto and Buddhist deities in response to sincere prayer. Offer your payment and take one fortune. Okay. Oh, I think it goes in here. You put in a 500?
And it's 600.
600?
Yeah, I put 600.
Oh. I was like, that's pretty heavy.
Wait, shouldn't I pick out my own?
Oh, okay. Put it back. I'll pick this one then. Oh, wah, wah. Not so good. Good. You keep that then. You should keep that one. This one I have to give away. Tie it up. Not so good. Like the moon, which only peeps out occasionally from under the clouds, there are many things which still do not work out as you like. Yep, that's true.
If you're not careless,
but if you are moderate in everything you do, you will escape catastrophe, and if you pray for divine protection, the clouds will finally part, and you shall see the light of the moon. See? Do not work out as you like. That's so true. That's me. If you are not careless, but since it's your own care, you shall get better. Now is a bad time for love, apparently. He will not come. Lost items are hard to find. Postpone buying and selling. Building and moving if you're extremely moderate. Travel, postpone. Money, later improvement. Examinations, what time you'll reach your goal. Okay. I believe you.
Shine forth through clouds, so too you should take great pains over everything you do and be in the least bit hasty, and under protection of divine, your fortune will come. Illness, if you devote yourself to your therapy, you will recover. Love and marriage, don't rush. The person you await, he will be late. Lawsuits, you will win, but it will take time. Lost item, you will find it sooner or later. Buying and selling, buying favorable, selling don't rush. Building, moving, if well thought out, fine. Travel, if adequate, though is given to schedule, fine. Money, matters will improve if you are not in a hurry. Examinations, efforts pay off.
Okay. Well, I gotta fold this and tie this up because mine is bad luck, so I don't want to take this with me. There we go. I'll just tie it at the end here. Oh!
Oh my god.
Super bad luck. Oh no. Oh no.
You know how to tie it?
I'm tying it right now.
You're struggling.
Because I don't want it to rip again.
Okay.
Now I'll just shove this inside here. And pull this a little tighter. There we go. Alright, goodbye, bad fortune.
So they call it like gradation. So it's just like darker on the top, lighter on the bottom, and I got a blue-gray. And I asked her to curl it. And I think it's pretty interesting how Japanese people curl their hair. They like the underlayer, they like crimp it, and then they actually curl the top layer. So we're gonna eat udon again because it's so good. And today is our last day in Osaka, technically. Tomorrow we're going to Tokyo, so why not enjoy? What happened? I thought you were doing the thing. You decided not to?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Okay. See you guys inside. So I just finished taking a shower and I started packing up some of the stuff because tonight's our last night in his B&B. Andrew's passed out. We were gonna check out Den Town, but he got really tired, and then I decided to do some laundry. At first, I thought I had to do the laundry downstairs, but then when I checked, it was actually a coin laundry downstairs, and then I found out the freaking laundry machine's outside. So I was like, it doesn't match the house manual. So now we're drying the clothes like typical Asian way. And then outside the street, it's still pretty loud, but once it hits like 10 or 11, it gets really dead. So tomorrow we'll hang out in Osaka for a little bit, and then we will head to Tokyo on the Shinkansen. So see you guys tomorrow.